July, my parents, my mom particularly, had COVID. I had to accompany my mom to the hospital. But my mom has dementia. So I requested the hospital for me to be with my mom. And they had me sign a waiver. I was with my mom for about 1 month. So while in the hospital, my dad again had a COVID. So I have to take care of both my parents, my mom and my dad. There was a time when my mom had a critical episode. I was literally crying and I was telling her, you inhale, you exhale. But I didn't know my mask got so soaked up. I removed it. I told myself, bahala na COVID. I held her and I was literally crying and I got infected on my birthday. It's in the air. It's droplets. But again, nagka-COVID ako because I was in the COVID room. They're swabbing everyone. So sabi nila, can we have you swabbed after a week just to be sure na wala ka because you're here? So sabi ko, sige, papa-swab ako just for us to know. But the following day, after getting swab, wala pa yung result. Parang Makati. Sabi ko, parang Makati lalamunan ko ah. At masaklap nito, parang medyo may ubo-ubo ko. Pagkatapos, parang tatrangkasuhin ka na yung buto-buto mo, masasakit, nangingimay, no? And then, para bang yung balat mo, para may burning sensation, para ka magkakatrangkaso talaga. So I told myself, nako, I signed a waiver na ayoko nang makagulo rito sa ospital at nakakahiya sa mga frontliners. Ayoko nang pabigat pa. So I have to do something about what I'm feeling. I think I have COVID. So I remember the Chinese medicine Lisa and Bongbong Marcos gave me. They've told me it's the best in China. So I asked then, Bongbong, are you sure it's the best? Sabi niya sa akin, Benhar, hindi naman ako yung basta-basta nakikinig kung kani-kanino. I have it double-checked. I had it checked with their health department, and then they informed me it's one of the best in China. Sabi ko, nothing to lose. Immediately, I think it was 10 o'clock in the evening. Nung naramdaman ko ito, ang bigat ng katawan mo, may burning sensation na, sabi ko, alam ko, flu to. Baka COVID. I took 3 times a day, 4. So, that's 12 tablets a day. Pagising ko, the following day, siguro mga alas 8 lang, alas 9, nagising ako, basang-basa ako ng pawis. Sabi ko, parang pati itong t-shirt ko, basang-basa. Pati yung buhok ko, basang-basa. Sabi ko, what's happening to me? And then, you know what? Nawala lahat ng symptoms ng flu. Although yung cough, nandun pa yung cough. In fact, I felt like I was Superman, no? Na the following day, I did some exercises. Tinuloy ko ng 7 days. But you know what? I think it was on the 4th day of the 7th day, yung lungs ko, para akong uminom ng eucalyptus. Ang init. And then I did some reading, and sa tagal ko naman sa COVID ward, I now understood what COVID is all about. Because for me, to know the effectivity of this medicine is to first study what is COVID. So what is COVID? Sa mga nakikinig po, simple lang. Kung ito ang lungs ninyo, anong function ng lungs? Hihinga ka, pupunta yung hangin sa lungs, it will go through here, and the lungs now will transfer this air dito sa blood vessels. Etong blood vessels ngayon, iikot sa buong katawan mo, bibigyan ng hangin ang kamay mo, ang utak mo, etc. So the most critical point is the transferring of the air from the lungs to the blood vessels. At ang lungs ay maraming dahon-dahon. Millions, it's called alveoli. Yun yung nagtatransfer. Now what does COVID do? Ang ginagawa po ng COVID, pumunta muna sa lalamunan, and then it will go to the lungs, it will irritate the lungs. Aasarin niya yung lungs. Ang gagawin niya yung lungs, magkakaroon ng tubig. Babasain niya lahat ng alveoli na parang dahon-dahon, babasain niya kalahati ng lungs. So yung hangin, nakaka-transfer pa rin siya sa blood vessel, pero hirap na hirap kasi may tubig. No? So yung puso mo, yung dating 120/80, pump ng pump, overtime siya. Halos walang pahinga. Kidney mo, liver mo, affected lahat because all of your organs now would really work. That is what COVID does. So ano pong effectivity nitong LIN HUA? Ang ginagawa niya, pinapatuyo niya. Tinatanggal niya yung tubig. Yun ang added feature ng LIN HUA. So, nung nabasa ko, sabi ko, naku po, Hindi naman kamahalan pala to. Napakamura, no? And, you know, nakita ko na ang branding naman nito is traditional Chinese medicine. This is now FDA approved, mga kaibigan. So, nung araw, ang packaging niya is Chinese. Parang ganito. Chinese. Hindi ko talaga mabasa, Chinese, no? Pero ngayon, nakita ko, tingnan nyo to, OTC. Ibig sabihin ng OTC, sa China pala, over-the-counter lang ito. Pero, ang ginawa ngayon ng LIN HUA dito sa Pilipinas, para wag kayong mahirapan, meron na silang English version. Ito na po yun. Ha? At ang maganda, pagbukas mo ng pakete, ito po yan, pagbukas mo, magiging ganito. Pagbukas mo, ganito po yan. Ito, tabletas. Okay? At it comes with an English translation. Yan. Hindi na kayo mahihirapan, kamukha ng dati. As far as I'm concerned, for me, sa experience ko, it's one of the most effective and cheapest way of beating COVID. No? Sabi nga nila, ito yung maaga pa lang, inumin mo na eh. Maagap ka. And this is for just mild cases. No? Yung severe cases, iba na hong usapan yun. With LIN HUA, hindi na kailangan lumala. It will really save a lot of lives. Just like what it did to me. I've made some studies sa pinakamagagaling talaga na gumalaw rin, no, against this pandemic. I think what comes in mind are Taiwan and Vietnam. At alam niyo kung anong common denominator nila? Both of them experienced SARS. Pilipinas walang SARS, Thailand walang SARS. And remember, COVID is just like SARS. So dahil alam nila ito, katabi sila ng border ng China, nakagalaw kaagad sila. Which brings me to a point. Kung matagal ko na experience ito, kaya ka naging effective, lalo na ang China. Sa kanila nanggaling ito eh. That's why they developed this kind of medicine. Para sa akin, it's about time na tignan po natin, no, kung ano bang benepisyo ng isang gamot. Kasi marami na apektuhan eh. Let's face it, karamihan sa ating mga kababayan, hindi naman ganun karami ang pera para magpa-ospital na mahal. Pinaka-cost effective, of course, pinaka-cost effective, mag-mask ka, mag-face shield ka, effective na, mag-alcohol ka, ganyan ang gagawin nyo. Pero just in case, meron talaga magkasakit, naku, kawawa si Juan de la Cruz, hindi natin kaya ganun kamamahal na medical expense. I think the best alternative is having this LIN HUA.